How to change primary admin in QuickBooks. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the primary admin on QuickBooks. Now, the first thing to do is to log in into your QuickBooks account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you would see different things. You'll see two tabs, the cash flow as well as the home tab. So as you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on your gear icon. After clicking on it, on this page you can see four columns, namely your company, lists, tools, profile. Just go ahead and click on manage users, sorry, not accounts, and settings. Let's close this page. Okay, so on this page you select manage users instead. Okay, so after clicking on manage users, you wait for the manage users page to load. All right, now you can see that on this page there are two options: users and then accountant. So the next step here is to find the user you want to make the primary admin. So far I am the one here and I'm the primary admin and I'm the only user on this particular page. That is why it's displaying just me. But for you, you'll see the list of the users that you have. Then the next step is to find the user you want to make the primary admin. So after finding the user you want to make the primary admin, under the role here, ensure that they are listed as the primary admin. And then if they are not, move to the right side of the screen. You'll see the edit option here. Just click on it and then you can now edit the roles that they have. All right, and grant them the permission that you want here. Okay, now for me, my role cannot be changed because I'm the only user and I'm the owner of the account, and so I am the admin. But for them, after clicking on edit, you'll see the option of making them the admin. Yeah, click on it and then change their role to admin. Okay, you'll see three ellipses, all right, by the right side of the screen here. Just click on it, and amongst the option, click on make admin and then click on change primary admin, and then you confirm the change by selecting change primary admin again. And then the next thing to do is to sign out of QuickBooks and sign in again. By the time you are signing again, you would have seen that the primary admin option has been changed. Okay, so that is how it works. This is how you can change primary admin in QuickBooks. Just ensure that you've added the user that you want to make the admin. Thanks for watching and have a good day.